Hey everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, finally giveaway time has arrived, and as I already told you all that I wanted to conduct a competition because I thought it will be unfair if I start distributing coupon codes randomly, because that will be unfair to many of you, isn't it? So that's my personal opinion. So your opinion matters too. So if you like this idea, please do let me know in comment section, and even if you don't, please let me know in comment section, because yes guys, it's not just my channel, it's your channel too. So I want your opinion. And one more thing guys, I'm expecting at least 150 likes on this video, because I was like I'm much more excited than you for this video, I think. So yes, I'm expecting 150 likes, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it. And one more thing guys, I'm expecting you all to watch this video till the end so that you can understand what the competition actually is, because that will definitely help you understand what you actually need to do, isn't it? So yes, and one more thing guys, it's not the last competition of your life. It's not the last. I mean, life is full of competitions, so fight for it. That is something which seriously matters. Fight for coupon codes, fine. But yes, even if you cannot get that coupon code, keep one thing in mind: fighters can never be losers. If you are a fighter, you will definitely get what you actually deserve. This is something which I personally believe in. So yes, fighters can never be losers. Yeah, seriously, I believe in this. So guys, two types of competition will be there. First one will be non-technical and second will be technical. And guys, if you want, you can participate in both. You can participate in either one, or you can participate in both, but I will promote you all to participate in both the competitions. Okay, so the non-technical one, see, this is for especially for the ones who are at this point, who are not in position to participate in technical ones, or who are not very much confident. So it's okay if you are not confident enough, it's fine. I will promote you all to participate in that. Even if you cannot solve, it's okay, it's totally fine. Even if you cannot do anything, it's totally fine, because you will at least understand, isn't it? So it's okay, it's up to you. If you want, you can participate in both. So what you need to do, if you are someone who want to participate in non-technical one, you just need to share this video in as many Facebook and WhatsApp group as you can. There is no limit, in as many Facebook and WhatsApp group as you can. And after that, you have to take screenshot and share the link in the Google form. Okay, so Google form is in description box, so you can get that form from there. So you just need to paste the link in that particular Google form. Okay, and after that, take screenshot of Google form, put it in your Insta story. Don't forget to mention me there. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to do. You have to do second thing, and it is, you just need to pick any of your favorite video, of course from this channel. Take a screenshot of that, keep it in your Insta feed, tag me there with hashtag fighters can never be losers. So hashtag fighters can never be loser, captionize it, captionize your post with that. Okay, so this is something you have to do. This is all about competition number 1, that is non-technical. And let's move to competition number 2, that is technical one. So guys, what you have to do, you will get 3 coding questions. So 3. Okay, so you will get 3 coding questions which you need to solve, and top 10 performers from this competition will get coupon codes. So it's not like if you could solve only one, you will not submit. Please do submit. It may be possible that no one is able to solve all the 3 problems. It may be possible, isn't it? So even if you solve one question, then also submit. Okay, so yes, your task is to solve 3 coding questions and paste using Geeks for Geeks ID. So using Geeks for Geeks ID, you will get link in description box, and then what you need to do, you need to paste the link in Google form, and after that you need to submit, fine. And then take screenshot of that Google form after submitting and put it in your Insta story, mention me there. And after that, you just need to do what tier 1 or the competition 1 participants had done, that is, you need to take screenshot of any of your favorite video from this channel, and don't forget to mention me there, and captionize that post with hashtag fighters can never be losers. Okay, so I hope you understood what you need to do, and don't worry guys, you will understand how to use Geeks for Geeks ID. Don't worry, I will show you a demo. So let's get started with demo. So guys, this is Geeks for Geeks ID. This is the ID which I was talking about. Here I wrote a Python program for adding two numbers. Don't worry, you are not going to do the same. You have to solve your program. Okay, and here's the list of languages. Okay, you can choose either C, C++, Java or Python. Any of these four languages. I chose Python 3. That's my choice. I'm just showing you example. Okay. So yes, since it's the program for adding two numbers, you don't need to learn anything. I just want to show you how, what you need to do. So write your program in this window, and after that for checking you need to give input. So since it was adding two numbers, so I'm giving 2 and 3. So you all know 5 is going to be the output. Fine. But here you have two options, run and run plus URL. You don't need to just run. Run plus URL is what you are going to do. So run plus URL, so that you can run the program as well as URL will be generated, which you have to paste in Google form. Okay. So run plus URL. Wait for some time and see. Result is 5, that is output is 5, fine, and your URL is generated. Now you need to copy the URL and paste it in Google form. Okay, I hope you understood. So I hope you understood how to use Geeks for Geeks ID, isn't it? So guys, I have total 15 coupon codes, and yes, on the basis of non-technical competition, I will select top 5 performers, and on the basis of technical competition, I will select top 10 performers, and you can be one of them. So all the best guys, and yes, question will come at the end of this video. But if you are lazy, don't worry, question is in description box, you can check that. So on this note, I am wrapping up this video. So stay healthy, stay fit, love you all. This is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye.